Hello, I'm Ken Johnston from Stevens Group. Now, what I'm going to show you on this tractor is some different options or accessories that we can put with the Challenger four-wheel drive mower. So, first of all, I'm going to start with the cutting deck. Now, this is what's called the 46-inch Mow Plus deck. Now, when you're looking at it from the front, probably the first thing you'll notice is how high this is from the ground to there. That is designed on purpose because with this deck, it is designed to be able to take, it's designed to be able to handle a large volume of grass as well as do a finer cut lawn. So it'll let things like paspalum stalks, it'll let things like bulk kikuyu weeds, all those sorts of things in under the deck and still leave a pristine finish with this cutting deck. Although the same deck can be used to cut regrowth, gorse, all that sort of stuff. So it's our heavy duty cutting deck. Now, one of the things that's very unique about it is it's a full width rear discharge deck, which you're going to see soon. And in most applications, you would leave it set up like it is with this side discharge baffle capped off. But if you want to go into a situation where you're taking out, like I'm talking serious volumes of kikuyu, what you can do is unbolt these here and on-bolt this instead, like that there. And what it does is it allows a far greater volume of grass to be discharged from underneath the deck. So you get full width rear discharge as well as this right hand blade can discharge out to the right. And it gives you a far higher ground speed and really overgrown paddocks or rough areas where you just want to get the grass out. So an amazing deck, truly amazing deck, New Zealand designed and made. But the thing that is so amazing about it is it can go on and do the beautiful lawns around here, but then it can also go and do gorse and it can do bulk kikuyu, all that sort of stuff. So there's kind of nothing really like it on the market. One machine that can do such a wide variety of pristine and rugged properties, both steep and flat. So I'm going to show you tilting up underneath this deck so that you can see what it looks like underneath it again. Oh, didn't pull that all the way out. So underneath the deck here, what you can see is we've got the same very rugged design. So like what you'd see on a rare tractor mower, designed for slashing. So heavy duty spindle with grease nipples, two of them. You got the swing back blades. You've got shaft drive to the deck, then a very basic belt drive system. So you've got multiple protection systems on going into very unpleasant situations with this deck. And the thing that stands out about it is the grass can get in easily, but it can get out easily. And you can imagine here, if this whole baffle here wasn't there, a whole lot more grass can get out. So a very unique design that can punch through some seriously unpleasant terrain and cutting conditions, but can also do a finished mowing cutting job. So we're going to lower that back down again. Now we just lift up, and same on this side.